Welcome you to session 27, chapter Absorption of Overheads, Cost and Management Accounting 2nd, 4th semester BCom, Mangalore University. Chapter 3, Absorption of Overheads. Absorption of overheads means charging the departmental overheads to individual products or jobs. And it's also known as overhead recovery or overhead application. Now, there are different methods for absorption of overheads. The first one is production unit method. The second method is the percentage method, in which there are three methods like percentage on direct material, percentage on direct labor cost, percentage on prime cost. And the third method is the hourly rate method, labor hour rate method and machine hour rate method. In the previous sessions, we have seen the production unit method as well as the percentage method of absorption of overheads. In this session, let us understand the hourly rate method. There are two types. One is the labor hour rate, the other one is the machine hour rate. The first one is labor hour rate. So under this method, the overheads are charged to the production on the basis of the number of labor hours worked on every job. So we try to find out the overheads per one labor hour. So labor hour rate is equal to total overheads divided by direct labor hours for the period. Now for example, if the total overheads are 10,000 and the direct labor hours are 500 hours, that is for 1 hour, that is labor hour rate is equal to 10,000 rupees divided by 500 hours, rupees 20. That is the overheads for 1 labor hour is rupees 20. Now for example, if a job takes 10 hours, then how much will be the overheads? Then the overheads will be 10 hours into rupees 20, that is rupees 200 will be the overheads. So under labor hour rate, the overheads are charged on the basis of the number of labor hours worked on every job. So labor hour rate is found out total overheads divided by direct labor hours for the period. The next method is the machine hour rate. Machine hour rate is the cost of running a machine for 1 hour. That is the factory overheads for running machine for 1 hour is determined. So machine hour rate is equal to total overheads divided by machine hours for the period. Now if the total overheads are 1500 and the direct machine hours are 500 hours, then for 1 hour of running the machine, that is machine hour rate is equal to 1500 divided by 500, which is equal to rupees 3. Now suppose the job takes 10 hours, then how much will be the overheads? We can easily calculate it. The overheads will be 10 hours working into 3 rupees, that is machine hour rate, that is rupees 30. So rupees 30 will be the overheads for running the machine for 10 hours. So here we find out the cost of running a machine for 1 hour, and then we will be able to determine the overheads for a job or a product or a process. So these are the two methods. One is the labor hour rate, the second one is the machine hour rate. In the following sessions, we will study in detail the calculation of machine hour rate. Thank you.